Hey you guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day holiday home decor video. Well, you know what, it's not even a home decor, it's mostly my kitchen decor and a little bit of my family room. I don't go crazy when it comes down decorating for all the other holidays. I just add little pieces here and there to, you know, just celebrate a little bit. My big holidays to celebrate is Christmas and New Year's. So every other holiday that comes throughout the year, I don't really go crazy, but I decided to do this because, you know, I told you guys that every few months I would show you what I've done. So all my Christmas stuff has been taken down, and now this is what my kitchen and my family room looks like. I'm not going to be talking through the video because I'm just going to play some music and show you around. It's not a lot, like I said, so it doesn't really make sense for me to be talking. The pieces that I have, I believe, are from Target and IKEA, I want to say. The pillowcases are from IKEA because they are pillowcases. I reuse the pillows that I do have or have already. And pillowcases are from IKEA, and the stuff on my counter, I want to say, are Target and Home Goods, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I don't know that I'm gonna do anything for Easter. I mean, I do celebrate Easter, but I don't know that I'm gonna decorate for Easter or St. Patty's. I think I'm just gonna jump right into spring, whatever, you know, as soon as Valentine's Day is done. I think all my decor is just gonna be spring decor. Other than the pillowcases, I'm gonna keep them as they are. So there's not gonna be a lot of change, but if you guys wanna see what I do, then let me know down below and I will definitely do another video for you guys. So yeah, let's begin. So that's it, you guys. I kept it really simple. Like I said, there's not much to show, but it still looks pretty. I like it. I like the simplicity of it because I like my house and my counters and my areas very, very simple, with the exception again of Christmas and New Year's. I just love decorating for Christmas and New Year's, so I deal with the clutter of stuff. Other than that, the rest of the year I like to keep it nice and clean. So if you do like these type of videos, please let me know down below and I will do more. Like I said, I will probably do a spring decor and then into summer type of stuff. So let me know if you want to see that. I'm gonna put my links down below so you can follow me on my other social medias. I'll also have it up here. Follow me on my other social medias. Follow my share my channel, share my videos, watch my previous videos. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.